So we are going to work closely with the United States, with President Donald Trump. We are going to have moments when we will sit down around the table.
This is the journey to One Africa.
Well, today is a very significant date for us as South Africa as we assume the presidency of the G20. The G20 is an important formation, brings together countries that have control of about 80% of the GDP of the world. And we, as South Africa, are counted amongst those countries. We're a small country. Our economy is rather small, but we are part of the G20. So we are hitting way above our own weight by dint of the positioning we have in the world, and also the many positions that we have taken and the strength of our economy as well. These countries are about 75% of the world trade. So they are an important block of countries that we will be leading for the whole year before we hand over to the United States of America in 2026. So we are going to work closely with the United States, with President Donald Trump. We are going to have moments when we will sit down around the table and discuss all these matters. And some of these matters, as it happens, are said on platforms, and we, in the end, prefer that you sit down and rely on diplomacy around the table and have proper discussions on each issue that affects each nation. So we're looking forward to having such discussions with President Trump.